In this video I will show you how to download and install the Brother DCP-T510W color printer driver on Windows. Go to the Google Chrome. Enter the Brother DCP-T510W color printer driver in the search box and click on the search icon. From the search results, click on the official Brother support website for that printer model. The website should automatically detect your operating system. If it doesn't, select Windows 10 from the list of operating systems provided. Look for the Downloads section on the page for your printer model. Choose the Printer Driver or Full Driver and Software Package option. Click on Download and agree to the End-User License Agreement if prompted. Once the download is complete, open the installer, usually a .x file, from your browser's download location or from the folder where you saved it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. This typically involves agreeing to terms, selecting installation preferences, and possibly a prompt to connect your printer to the computer if it's not already connected. If the installer asks for the connection method, choose USB since you are setting up the printer with a USB connection. When prompted, connect the printer via USB, turn it on first. The installer will detect the printer and complete the setup. Restart your PC if required. The installer will then copy the necessary files and configure the printer on your system. Once the installation is finished, a confirmation message will appear. It is advisable to print a test page to ensure everything is working correctly. You should now be able to print and scan from your computer with your Brother DCP-T510W color printer.